Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question how you can make sure that when you pay something like an in-app purchase on the Android Google Play Store, then it's taking the money from the correct account. I have been struggling a lot. This is crazy. I mean, here I'm talking about the Play Store on Android, and when you download an app, install, and then you want to make an in-app purchase, then it always picks the wrong account, even when you have it installed from the correct account. I mean, when you open that, here on the right top you have the account, and then it's always recommended, of course, then to pick the right account. You click here on this thing, and then you pick the right account, search for the app, install it, and then usually it should work, but sometimes it really doesn't work. So how to change that? There are thousands of recommendations or possible solutions about that on the internet, and most don't work, or at least they didn't work for me. But finally I've found a solution. I've tried this thing here and it definitely worked. So what to do? Of course, first you have to go to the app which you have already installed on your mobile phone and then uninstall it, either from the Play Store or directly. Sometimes you can long press and then uninstall. And then you have to make sure that the account, the Google account where you want to take the money from, is installed, of course, on your mobile phone. So usually go to settings, and in settings you have the account settings, and then you have Google accounts. And if you haven't already, you can add here, or you have to add here, the Google account where you want to take the money from for the in-app purchase. So that's the thing here. Then the next step, and really surprising step, you have to go to the online store, not on the mobile phone. I mean, of course you can do that on the mobile phone too, but you have to use browser, let's say Chrome browser, and then you have to go to play.google.com/store and so on, and you search for your app. And what's really important, of course, before you search for the app, what's really important here on the right top, you have to be logged into the Google account which you want to use to make the in-app purchase. That's crazy, but it is really like that. Just log into the right Google account, then search for your app or whatever you want to buy. Let's say this thing here, okay, and then click on install, and then it gives you the choice to select your device. If you have multiple devices, you can pick the mobile phone where you want to install it and make the purchase. You click on that and click on install, and a couple of seconds later it will start to do the installation. And when it's there, you open it, you log in, and you make the purchase, and then it will take the Google account which you have been using to install, like from here, to make the in-app purchase. That's a little bit weird. I mean, we are in 2021. You would expect that Google gives you the choice when you are in the app to pick the right account, but it's definitely not there. I've been struggling for years, and it looks like still in 2021 we have to make crazy things to make it work, but at least it worked for me, and I hope it will work for you too. So if you have any questions or comments or other opinions or other solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.